From the heart of Ghana, a rose did rise, with grace and courage in her eyes. She stood for women, she stood for truth, with fire and vision from her youth. She built a dream for every child. Her voice was strong, her heart so mild. Through every storm, she showed the way, a shining light to this very day. Oh, Nana Konadu, mother of the nation, your love and strength are inspiration. You fought for justice, you taught us pride. Forever you live, forever you guide. Oh, Nana Konadu, your legacy stays in every woman you helped to raise. You walked with power, yet full of grace, with purpose shining on your face. Through unity you built the path for Ghana's daughters to rise at last. Your voice still echoes through the years, a melody that calms our fears, for freedom, progress, and dignity. Tall for humanity. Oh, Nana Konadu, oh, mother of the nation, oh, your love and strength are inspirations. Oh, you fought for justice, you taught us pride. Oh, forever you live, forever you guide. Oh, Nana Konadu, yeah, your legacy stays in every woman you helped to raise. From Nkrumah's dream to Rawlings' flame, you carved your mark, you made your name. Not just a first lady, a voice, a soul, who made our people strong and whole. Oh, Nana Konadu, mother of the nation, your love and strength our foundation. You fought with courage, you stood with grace, a timeless queen our hearts embrace. We lift your name